Hi guys, it's Sean. We're gonna open, the last video, the iPad got low battery. So that's why I set it up like this. So, this creamy bun. Sorry I don't have nutty butter because I traded it with Grace, but I have this one as an exclusive, like the vending machine. So I know it's not the same, but it's kind of like it. So these are the two. This is the other nutty butter, but not in pink. So this is where I set it up, my vending machine. This is how it was made. And it says on the back, check it out online. And look at the details. You saw my last previews video about this for the veg stand, but I put some stickers right there because they won the prize. So there was a couple things on the back. So this is the stickers are in the back. Do you know their names? Please say it in there. Please say it in the comments. And that one too. And this. I know it's easy to tell, but have you tried anything like sushi? I really hate it, but sorry that I closed this thing so far. I just closed it so I will never get out. Well, sorry to say that I have to take it away like this so I wouldn't mess over it'd be messed over the floor, okay? And I'm not gonna open it today because I don't want to be like scrambled like over the floor. Do you want me to introduce them? There's one on the bottom, but I don't want to say it on the bottom. You have to tell these, but I just painted this one. I'm not good at painting. This is Rocky Brock. I don't remember this. Rockin' Pock. I don't know. I don't remember it because I never said his name in a long time. Well, I have moldy bread. You can't see it's like toasty bread, but it's moldy bread because I painted it moldy. And down here we have not down there. Up here we have Shady and Brie Freshener. Down here we have 3 cheese Louises, and I don't remember the cupcake. So please tell me in the comments. Okay, Susie Sunday. Oh yes, creamy cookie, wedding cake. I don't know why wedding cake's in here, but I wanted to put it in. Wally water bottle was from the Scoops and Ice but I traded it. And macaroon. I don't want to tell these down here because I don't want to pull them out and tell them. But it's not a long thing to shake it and it won't come down. This is not an opening and close thing, so don't go like this. It'll open and close, okay? So this one's made out of proof, hard metal. You can't use a knife or scissors, but you can use it around here so you can pull it out. Do you know limited edition cupcake queen? Okay. I know the battery's dead. Okay, this is the part 2 video. This is all these 2 back. These are my 5 season 1s. My cousin gave me this one. Samantha gave me this one. Okay, Isabel or Evie gave me that one. I just got this one. And lastly, Grace gave me this one. These are my 5. I have too much polished pearls. There's one Erica eraser missing in here because someone told me you had to give it back on September. For now, I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 6 polished pearls, but you're missing one because Isabel has it because I was having a play date with her and I forgot to take out my purple bead ruler. You can tell because there's nothing. Skylar gave me this one for free. She gave me this one for free. We bought these 2 and this one for Christmas. Also this one, but Skylar gave it to me back. This one I got it at Walmart. This one I got it from Target, and it was for Christmas too. So not that much 12 packs. See this one, came with Rita Rule because that was in the surprise bag, which is Rita Ruler. So this is getting almost close to the end, so we'll remove all of these. And I like my mostly polished pearls Erica eraser. I like bowls. I have no dog, but I like it. But please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And we're gonna play a little game. Okay, first let's scramble them. You might see that. Okay, so this is a mix-up. Except for Candy Kisses, do you know who was it? Okay, please tell me who was it. A, was it Erica Eraser in blue? 2, was it Candy Kisses? Or 3, was it Apple Blossom? I know I was peeking like this, but you know what it was. So please write it in the comments. Don't put a bad comment, please. Have a great day. Have a great day. If you guessed Erica Eraser in blue, you're correct. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching these videos. See the other videos that we got. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And in the other videos, I forgot to tell you one thing. This actually Toasty Pop, I used a little bit of Mom's felt to clean out the black out here, and I used a toothpick to use the hole. Because the hole was dirty and this was very dirty. I had to paint a little pink here, but it's not the same pink. Okay? So if you like this video, please subscribe. I know I said it 1,000 times, but sorry. I know these are a little mixed up, but I know Apple Blossom is special, so if you have spilt milk of these, let me know, because I really want one real bad. The winner one gives me spilt milk first, in blue or green. The green is second. That means this is number 1. Nutty better. So this is going to be number 1 if you give me a blue spilt milk. Number 2, letter 2, Suzy Sushi. The third one that gives me a spilt milk will get, if you have any of these, just let me know. I'll swap them for you. Number 3 will get this, Washa. I like this too much, but I'm sorry to say I like spilt milk a little much. These are the 3 combos that you might win. If you have those, just let me know. I'll just swap a Shopkin and tell me which one. Don't take my polished pearls. I like them. It could be anything, like this is the number 1, which is your winner 1, your winner 2, winner 3. This one's the green one, and the last one, this is not going to be the spilt milk this time. This can be Sally Shakes, or anyways, I want a blue Candy Kisses, so That will be number 3 if you want kisses. You're number 3. Okay. Have a great day. Please subscribe and tell me if you have spilt milk. Please be a number 1 fan, or number 2, or number 3. Please get a spilt milk for me. I really lost mine because I was on my way out of a car, my dad's car, and then it dropped. So, sorry to say that, but you'll win. So have a great day. Hi guys. Sorry again, these winners. If you told me a comment, okay, I would like that. But I know this is a little rusty. If it was Cookie Swirl C got it, okay. I know she has a lot of Shopkins of these. I watched Toy Genie too. But these are the winners if you get spilt milk. And tell me if you want these things for it. Well, usually we trade some, but you could, if you can get spilt milk, you gotta tell me where you live first. If you live down the street, I can go there. But if you're out of the United States, I could give them to you. But you have to give me your address on the comments. You know, that I told you, oh, I forgot when there's 3, that's the spilt milk. These is for I don't remember. Okay, I'm gonna set them up, sorry. Since I have duplicates, I'll put duplicates that I have. Okay, I have another nutty spaghetti. Well, I know if you wanted macaroon, this is the hard ones to find. That's how I got it on Christmas. Ugh, this is hard. This is one of my duplicates. No, it's not. Yes, this is kind of my duplicate. This is for, I don't remember, from season 1. The blue Toasty Pop, but don't give me the white one. Actually not. Actually no, Chocolava. These are for Chocolavas. And 3. Actually I don't want this. This is my best friend's. He gave me this for my best friend. Okay, I have